coming out.
What's up, man?
What's happening, bro? Hold on.
Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year to you all. I'm standing in front of a brand new Rolls Royce Ghost that belongs to the Lord Scott Disick himself. We just finished this monster. It's sitting on 24-inch forged Forgiato wheels. The most popular design that you guys see on a lot of vehicles, but the truth about it is it looks good on just about everything. So the wheel looks great, car's lowered. We removed all the exterior chrome. We sanded it, prepped it, painted it gloss black, polished the parts, reassembled it onto the vehicle. We left some of the chrome accents, as you guys can tell. We didn't want to just murder it out and go all black, which is very typical these days. But we left the grill slats in chrome. We left all the badges in chrome. We left the Spirit of Ecstasy in chrome. And of course, the headlights have small chrome little accents on it. We left the side badges in chrome. The floating caps have the Rolls Royce insignia that's in chrome. So super clean look. Nothing over the top. We kept it very clean and simple for him. I mean, end of the day, it is a Rolls Royce Ghost, so the car is lit as is. We're about to deliver it to him. You guys are about to see us pull up on him. We are gonna ask him a couple questions, so stay tuned, we're coming for you.
Happening. Thanks for coming out.
Of course, of course. What's up, man?
What's happening, bro? Hold on.
Here, man, I swear it does. It feels like at least 10 years ago, the three of us were standing in another house driveway before your SLR.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
I can't believe that was 10 years ago.
We're gonna post a picture so you guys see what we're talking about, but we're back. Yep. Obviously, we've had a long relationship with our boy Scott. We consider him a part of our family. He's been a big part of the car culture in general because he's a car guy, as you guys can tell. Just seeing some of the whips, not all, but you know, we're not exposing everything right now.
Garage is also closed.
Exactly, the garage is closed, but he's a big part of the car culture. He's been doing this thing for a long time. 10 years fast forward, we're back. We got two crazy looking Rollses that are like twins almost to each other. This one we got to do a couple little, you know, touches to it.
Wait, I noticed you did the grill different on this one.
Yeah, this one
looks sick.
So we did chrome slats versus doing it all black.
That's why it looks so crazy.
So it pops more naturally, and then it's illuminated. So we'll probably take this one back. Yeah, absolutely. The viewers had some questions, so I'm gonna ask.
What kind of questions?
So they want to know what inspires you, like with cars, like what's some of your inspiration, because all your cars have always kind of stood out.
I kind of, you know, I've always had like my style, and then I've always loved your style, so I kind of just copy you. I just ask you guys what you're doing, and then I'm like, all right, I'll take that look. But I always have like my own.
On point, for sure.
I have my own ideas, but then I always like let you guys take your ideas.
He's being humble and modest, but he is a trendsetter for
back
sure.
in the day, I think I was more caught up with the cars and had more time to think about it. So now with all the kids, I'm just like, just make them black, make them look cool, brush some of the wheels. But I mean, you know, I've loved cars since I was a child.
I remember when you had a different colored drop head for every season.
Yeah, the drop head is my shit.
Yeah. Which we're catching up now, because I got a third one on the way. JK has number 2 on the way.
Crazy.
when we first met, obviously we didn't have kids, we weren't married, but you know, fast forward, lots changed.
Yeah, I mean, the store was like just a little
Exactly,
store.
yeah. The reality is we came a lot. We all came a long way in those years, man, and we appreciate
God bless everything. Yeah.
Appreciate you still giving us love from day
I mean,
one.
there's nobody better. Even like sometimes when something quick happens and somebody needs to wrap a car, it's never the same as when you guys do it. It's hands down.
Really do.
Platinum has always been #1 in the car business for aftermarket. There's not a person that stands that does a better work anywhere that I've ever, even if I've been in Florida and had a car that I've had to get done, never is it done the same quality, same detail, specs, like it's just always perfect.
What would you say between a daily driver? What's the one that goes?
I've never driven it.
Neither.
I've never driven
this
it.
one you haven't driven yet. I drove it before you did.
Yeah, I've never driven it.
I think you're gonna like it, man. I think you're gonna love this thing. I mean, size-wise,
I figured this would be cool if I'm like without my kids, which is maybe one day a week. And then when I have them all, I'll throw them in here.
I think
But I also have the Suburban that you guys did too. Throw that up on the screen. But everybody, by the way, compliments that Suburban more than like any car I've ever had. I don't know why.
So that's under
And it's
plate.
user-friendly, it looks good when it's blacked out.
a
It
big
doesn't look like
Becker
a service
Suburban,
car.
so-
No, my brand new Suburban.
there's
My
new
brand new
Suburban.
Escalade. Sorry,
Escalade.
that you guys did.
Yeah. Sorry. So
That
see, it's
gets the
hard
most
to keep up.
compliments.
Hard to
My
keep up.
newest Escalade that you guys did, the long body with the 24s, and you lowered it.
Oh,
And it
yeah,
looks
the
like
new
the bigger.
Escalade. See, I'm not
everybody
even
loves
keeping
that.
track.
No, not
That's
the
true,
Becker.
the new Escalade.
The new Escalade you did for me, I literally went somewhere the other day in Malibu to look at a house for sale. It was like 60 million. Not for me, somebody else, but the guy went nuts. He was like, that Escalade is so beautiful.
You know,
It just hits differently.
the new Escalade,
I
though,
love
you
it
made
too.
perfect because it was sitting too high. The wheels were in. The new wheels, I mean, it looks perfect.
Well, that's the
I
one
get
we
more
just
compliments.
finished lower. We literally just finished
I should
that
maybe
thing up.
put little stars in that car, maybe on the side.
So now,
great.
because of Scott, I'm gonna have to black all my chrome out too, because JK's
you
been
gotta.
telling me for a minute.
The
and
grill
then
you gotta do.
now, after doing this one, I'm like, man, I gotta get rid of some of the
Still
chrome.
leave the wheels polished, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave the wheels polished.
You know, the dash, you know, that's an option too. They don't all
What,
come with
this?
it. No, yeah.
So now I gotta black my shit out too, because this guy just flexed on me heavy. So I think it's time that's why I haven't really shown you guys my car yet. The wheels are on here, as you guys can see, but I think I'm gonna do the chrome the way we did for Scott, because I think it looks super clean. So that'll be the next project. We'll get rid of some of the chrome, leave some chrome accents like we did for Scott, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. And it's not all the way low like how we like it, so I gotta mess with the suspension a little bit. The stance needs to change. It don't look like we're gonna be able to get out of them what's behind these garages, but we got a lot more in the works with Scott. Like I said, he's a trendsetter. He's been in the automotive culture for a long time. He's a part of the culture, and it's always a pleasure to work with him. You know, we got a lot more in store with him soon. You know, we can't expose everything that we've been talking about with him, but we got a lot of projects coming up, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and of course share the video, and we'll see you guys very soon.